To destroy the building, special unique technologies are used. To do this, experts use dynamite and know exactly where to lay it. Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported. Construction equipment is made of durable metal and powerful engines. Performs hard work, which is beyond the power of a simple person.
Any worker doing his job must be qualified, and those actions that he performs are worked out for automatism. Well-coordinated work of workers allows to increase labor productivity.
Construction work is always highly valued. What a beautiful floor made of epoxide resin. And only a specialist can make it. How to repair a wheel rim. This requires a special machine and the skills of the master.
For fishing it is not necessary to have a fishing rod, even a net can come in handy. They also catch fish with a net.
Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported. Construction road works allow to restore the road surface. For this, specialized equipment is used to compact the material.
For the manufacture of shoes, skillful hands of workers are needed. The sole is sewn to the top of the shoe using a machine. For the manufacture of metal products, skillful hands of workers are needed. The manufacturing process is very labor-intensive. The metal is melted and only then products are made from it.